banana. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video. So in this video I want to prepare goat meat pepper soup with yam and banana. Okay, so this is my banana. This is a ripe banana, yam. So this is my goat meat, salt, seasoning cubes, aridon. Okay, this is aridon, bay leaf, pepper soup spice. Watch out for my previous video. I explained how we get this ingredients. Is on my YouTube channel. How we prepare the pepper soup, tilapia pepper soup, is on my YouTube channel. So this is my scotch bonnet with onion, ginger with garlic, scent leaf. So follow me as you want to prepare this pepper soup. Yeah. Garlic and ginger. So I'm going to add some of this. Salt, seasoning cubes. Beautiful people, please help me to subscribe for more videos. So I want to add bay leaf. Oh, beautiful people, this aroma of this pepper soup. Banana. Subscribe for more video. This pepper soup is delicious. Oh. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching. God bless you. So this is scent leaf. We are going to add it with the pepper soup. Wow, this is nice. This is delicious. Oh. So, our pepper soup is ready. So, beautiful people, wow, this is nice. Wow, the aroma of this pepper soup. See, this is our pepper soup. So, beautiful people, this is our pepper soup. Thank you very much. This is banana and yam goat meat pepper soup. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more video, and see you on my next video where we'll be eating this our delicious goat meat. Subscribe and watch our previous video how we prepare tilapia pepper soup and yam. Is on my YouTube channel. This one is goat meat and banana yam. Subscribe for more video. Bye bye.